This is Salman Raj from Department of Computer Science and Technology. This is my second experiment of technology about working with HTML5 form and media elements. The aim was to build a state that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the element and the following elements. I have to use logo type HTML meta in the revised HTML5 format: title, body, head, division and paragraph, headings, image, anchor, table, audio, video, iframe, form input, select, progress, field set, label, HTML. While going to program for HTML, basically we need that we have to show the head and body, paragraph. Head we have to show a title name. We have to use some title name. Then paragraph contains we have to type some paragraph, and it will automatically show us. So the program was we have to use table. So every HTML, while starting with we have to open tags, and after finishing we have to close the tags. And using program paragraph that we type after finishing the paragraph, we have to close it. We have to show video and audio sources. So I kept link as audio about MP3. I kept as audio. Video also created. Everything was stable. Generated in this table. Table row and table. We have to use table row and table data for showing values of name, mail, everything, address line you have to show. So we have to use table data and table row and iframe. After finishing, we have to close the taglines. The second one belongs to about we have to create student personal details and his name, everything, qualifications we have to show. And starting with this one, we have to open HTML taglines. You have to show that title name as exp2. Then you have to close it. And body was given that h1 heading, h1 submit your resume. You have to submit our resume. About our personal details you have to show. I kept first one as first name, and placeholder you got to enter your first name. It will show table will show as enter your first name. The next one is middle name. Third one I kept as enter your middle name. Third one is your last name. I use table row because I'm getting this data. Next one is date of birth. I want to show about date of birthday. Next one is your age in years. So, I kept limit as 18 to 30. So placeholder will have minimum of 18 to 30. So I kept as 18 to 30 as maximum. So it will show from 18 to 30. Next one was about his gender, about his male or female, or next one transgender. We have to show about that one. About field set, we have to show about address details. So I have created table row with table data. I opened table data for getting address, and after this I closed table data. Next one is city or town. We have to create after creating that one, we have to show about his city, which city it belongs to. So I kept as city or town. I use table data for that. Next one belongs to zip code. Mostly all persons need zip code where to generate where he is from. So I kept as zip code. And next one is telephone, about his mobile number for getting contact for him. So I kept as everything for use table data, table row. Next one, email address. For if any queries for contacting with him, we have to take email address. So I kept as email type, placeholder. So table data I created. This website. This one was about his progress, how much he placed, how much he got. So education details was about his qualification, board, university, country, starting year, from ending year, percentage. Qualification is he's from inter, or you have to get qualification from what he was done. So I used the qualification of table data with use. And next one is board or university, where he studied, with university or board. So I use for this one tagline. And next one is country, where in which country he studied, and from which starting year he studied, and ending year when he was stopped. Everything you have to get details. So percentage, how much he got from the year ending passed away. So we have to take everything from details. So after using I closed the table row, and I can now start with table data. This one like country I kept like India, USA, UK, UK, Paris, Canada. So whenever you use to select, it will show options like India, USA, UK, Paris, Canada. Which one you belongs to? So you have to choose that one. Starting or ending year. I kept as like minimum and maximum. So whenever you can choose ending year and starting year. So I kept as board university like chooses like India, USA, UK, Paris, Canada, starting year. I kept as like what you studied. So this place like he is MTech or BTech, like Inter or like that. I kept as resume not. So output was given like this is my first one. I showed them this is my video and this audio. I kept as URL like this one. Then the sign up process like username and password will show like this, and we have to create username and password, and we have to submit. You submit and contact as like address line we have to give 3 address lines, and if any queries we have to type as email ID, otherwise phone number. I gave was typing and it was shown a correct figure of map where you are, and submit your resume. This is the second one. Submit your resume about your about the student details. So first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, ages, years, gender, address, city, town, state, zip code, as I was shown there, and contact information like telephone number, mobile number, email or website. For any queries we are getting contact for the person. So next one is education details of 10th or 11th, which qualification is having. Like BTech means we have to show that this one everything, and board university and country we have to choose which country he studied. So we have to show everything from starting year, which year he started and which ending year he completed. You have to show again percentage in 10th how much he got, and 11th how much he got, and I have to show everything. So this is my completing about qualification details. This is my estimate of second of technology.